Hey guys, welcome back to our midweek episode. On this episode, we'll be talking about the Campmaster Spider Stove. We purchased this not too long ago and we've had so many people asking questions about it. So I thought I'll do a quick video and talk a little bit about it and what we think. If you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been traveling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Now, if you've been watching us for a while, you wouldn't be used to seeing us using this much. We've only used this in our episodes when we've been away in our Jimny, and that's why we purchased it, because our Jimny's only tiny and we can only fit so much camping stuff and we want it nice and compact, and that's why we picked one of these up. We picked it up from BCF and purchased it. It was just over $100 and it has been pretty good. But in saying that, the one that we normally use, we picked up for about $40 from a Kmart store. You can get them everywhere. You can even get them at Woolies. Sometimes they sell them, and Coles. And that one does us fine, but we just wanted something nice and compact, and that's where the Spider comes in handy. Well, first things first, let's check out the box and what information is on there. So I'll just move that a bit closer to the screen. These are the gas bottles you'll need to be able to use your burner. So it's got it there. And then this has got a little bit of information here. You know, it's strong, it's lightweight. And then over here has the pictures of it all set up and how it all works. Now, if you're wondering where it is made in China. So there it is there. There's a bit more information on the side if you want to pause and have a read. But let's dive in and open her up. She does come in a very, very fancy little carry case. It's not really fancy, but it's a carry case. So if I open it up, what an unboxing this is. Very uncoordinated. And there it is, straight out of the box. So that's what it comes in. That's how compact it is. And I like how the handles do go down. They're nice and flush, because when we're packing the Jimny, we like to pack, you know, things might get packed on top. And it's just nice to have those nice clean edges. So then we'll open it up and take it out and have a look. So they just clip like this, very similar to our other camp oven we own. And then if I open it up, here we go. Look at this. I love the color. The color is great. And just pull it out. And here it is. So it's, like I said, very compact. It's got a little bit of ventilation here. This is the dial here. And also, now it has this little latch here that opens up to be able to open it, basically. But this is the part where, look, we haven't had it long enough to see how durable this is, how long. It seems fine. It seems fine. But I'm just wondering over time if that would get damaged from constant use. But so far, so good. I'll show you how it all opens. It's pretty simple. You just lift this up. Then we're going to pull this up like that. And this is how it looks inside when it's all folded up. Then we're just going to move this. And then pull our legs out. And this is where it gets the name from, the Spider. And then we get our gas bottle and we're going to pop it in, which I'll show you in a second from above. And that is pretty much the setup. All right, now to show you how to put your gas bottle in. It's pretty simple. It does have a little bit of a crevice here for your bottle to sit in. And then you want to get the top of your bottle, that little notchy bit that's cut out here, to line up with this part here. So we'll do that now. And then it's just a matter of pushing it in, and it should click in and it's ready to go. Then we can put our lid down and she's ready to light up. Then it's just a matter of clicking around and pushing it, and then that is it lit up. So then you'd put your pot on. It does have this little bit here to stop it from your pots coming over this way, but otherwise that is it. Now to put it away is just as simple as setting it up. You just lift this back up. Now you have to remove the bottle to be able to pack it up, because where the bottle sits is obviously where this part sits. Now all you do is you push in the spider legs. That will bring this one down, and then it's just a matter of swinging it around like so, and then this can come down and you're pretty much done. You just got to put the little leather strap through this part here. I can't do that because I'm doing it one-handed, or maybe I can. Look at this, you can do this one-handed. Or maybe you can't. There you go. And that is it. We're all packed up. You can put that on there, and she's ready to travel. Now, I suggest keeping the lid of your cap for your gas, so when you're traveling, you're not setting your gas off, and that should keep that nice and safe. All right, let's talk measurements. So you can see here, it's approximately 15 centimeters high. That is the actual carry case. The actual burner is about 11.5 centimeters high. The length is about 32 centimeters. And then on the burner itself, it is about 31.5 centimeters. So the width is about 12 centimeters on the actual case. And then on the unit itself, it's about 10. And then it's approximately about 11 where the knob is here. Now this is us opening it up for the very first time we went camping. It was so easy. You don't need to assemble anything. You pretty much just got to take it out of the plastic, and she is ready to use. As you can see, the table we're cooking on is aluminium. I felt more comfortable cooking on this rather than a plastic table. Now, I'm sure it will not melt your plastic camping table, but don't take my word for it. I just got a little bit worried about that, so I thought that's why we brought this fold-out aluminium table, so I don't feel too stressed at all. The first thing we actually cooked on it was a on-tracks meal, and it boiled up the water really quick and easy. Now, there was no wind that day, so we didn't have any problems there. But the second time we went camping, the wind was very strong, so I think it would be good if you took something away that you could cover around the edges. We ended up taking it into the tent, and that was very well ventilated, so we wouldn't get gassed out or anything like that. But it cooked us another fantastic meal. That time, I think this time we did a mac and cheese, which turned out quite good. So to see all our meals that we've cooked with the Spider, definitely go back and check out when we camp in our Cranky Croc tent, and you will find them in those episodes. Now, if you're into bushwalking or hiking, this is definitely something that would fit in your backpack. If you wanted to take it along for an adventure, to cook up your meals, especially like your on-track meals, this would be perfect for that. And also to make your coffee. You can't forget about your coffee. I don't think I could live a morning without one. So if you're looking for something to cook your meals on for your next adventure, I think definitely the Camp Master Spider Stove is the one to get. Well, there you have it. That's the Camp Master Spider Stove. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any other questions about it, just pop them down below. If I can't answer it, I'll let you know anyway. But hopefully I'll be able to answer everybody's question. And if you're new to our channel, if you enjoyed this and you enjoy van life and travel, camping, camp cooking, make sure you do go down the bottom and like and subscribe and check out our other episodes. Also, guys, if there's something else you've seen on our channel and you would like me to do a review on it, just leave it down the bottom, and if I can, I will get around to making a review on that item so you can learn a bit more about the products that we actually use. All right, guys, until this Sunday at 5 p.m, we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.